Hello. I'll explain my solution for the two-sum problem. Okay, so we have our nums, then we have our target, and then given an array of integers, nums and target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. Ang i-return natin is I and j. Let me just look at that. From what I know, it's I and j. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay, so this will be the hash map solution. So first, since kasi we're gonna find we need the hash map, or we need the like functionality to find stuff in the hash map later. So because yeah, create hash map. And then we need to iterate through the nums list once for I in since normal array siya this time, unlike the previous anagram problem. For I in range, we're just gonna use the usual Python for loop pero with a length ng nums. Kasi 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yan, iterate natin yan through index count. And okay, so let's just do a little explanation here before we do the logic. Okay, so we need to return. Okay, we need to return yung I and j. So target is equals to I plus j. At the end of this solution, we need to return I and j, or at least yung values ng I, or at least yung index values ng I and j, such that, for example, sa case 1, ano ba equals 9, output should be 0 and kasi 2 and 0, 7 yung 1, 0 and 1. Ayan. So, we need to like kumbaga sa math, we need to set up this equation. Okay, so 'di ba need natin kailangan yung ang kailangan natin at the end is I and j. So, simulan na natin si j. J is equals to target minus sorry, sa book, minus nums I. Kasi for example, yung target sa test case 1 is 9. Target is equals to I. Yung 2 plus j, or 0 plus 1. So, 9 siya. Okay. So, pag ginawa natin is ginawa natin, kunyari, 9 minus 9 minus 2, for example. 9 minus 2. Ay, sorry, sabog. 9 minus 2 equals siya into 7. Diba? Para so, basically, ito yung target. Ito yung I. Ito yung J. So, basically, we're solving for J here. Ayan. Kayo na bahala manipulate the equations. And then, we would need to iterates. We need to iterate sa hash map kasi need natin to basahin. And we're gonna use a hash map, not a array to read. So if I actually, if you notice, meron na tayong I. So we don't actually need that. If j in find um if j in find take a thinking about it before while I'm thinking. So nums list once. If j in find, we will ah if j pag nakita if it sees j in the hash map kasi basically meron na tayong j pero pag ginawa kasi natin pag ni-return kasi natin yan agad ang ilalabas niya ay um kunyari for this one ang ilalabas niya is yung number mismo so 7 pero ang need natin i-return is yung index value not the number value kaya natin to kailangan natin hanapin siya sa hashmap para makita yung index ng eto ng j natin if j and find so return natin yung okay na yung I natin eh. So we have the I already. Kasi ito ko na. Ito siya eh. Ito na siya eh. Pag nums I ni-return natin, i-return niya to. Yung value. Yung like yung 2. Need natin i-return 0. So gagawin natin I lang. I lang. I. And then ito. Yung find J. Kasi this will ano, return yung index value. For example, ito siya. It will return 1. Ito 0. Ito 1. Okay, sige. Returns the indices. Indexes. Indexes of I and J. Index values of I. Okay, so what's next? Testing lang muna. And meron pa tayong ilalagay. Okay, so hindi pa siya tapos ah. Ang issue natin kasi is nag-null value siya. So may need tayo gawin. So you just do some extra research on this one. Pero yeah, so ito siya. So we're gonna find the nums of I equals I. Okay, so ayan. That should be good. Okay, so here's my solution. So testing na natin, nasabit na natin siya. Okay, as you can see, yung solution natin, it's very efficient. Like, umaabot siya sa, it goes up. It beats almost everyone. So yung ibang tao, meron sila ibang solution. Pero yung like, this is one of the best solutions for uh, two sum. So, yun lang. Bye!